Hello everyone, hello, welcome to my channel, welcome back to another video. Today guys, I just want to have a little review of this hair cap heat wrap. So this is a few years old. I've been meaning, I featured this this product a little bit on my hot oil treatment workout treadmill something a while back, but I've never really gone in details to show you guys exactly what it's about and in which way this have been a keeper, and I believe is bound to help somebody else's out. And also because now that the weather is getting colder and colder, I pull it out. So I think that was what reminded me to, I knew I needed to give you guys a review of it, but I keep forgetting. So since now that the weather is getting colder, I brought it out so I can start using it again like I usually do. I thought, you know what, I was meant to make a video about it. So here it is. Just a little review, more or less, what it does, how I use it, things of that nature really. So out of the pack, this is few years old, like I said, so I will link the seller. I got this from Amazon. I won't remember the price because it's like old. This is old, I tell you. Last time I checked on it, because a client of mine wanted it, I couldn't find the exact one, but they have similar. So there's this very specific one might not be longer available, but they have, when you put like heat wrap on Amazon, similar one will pop out. This let me tell you where this fits in my hair journey or in my hair routine. In the winter time where I don't usually have that get up and go attitude, this comes in very handy when I do not want to go sit under the hoodie dryer for my deep treatment. So I can put this on, heat it up in the microwave. It's set to heat 30 seconds at a time, 60 seconds at a time, and not to heat more than 90 seconds. But I have heated 3 minutes, not all in one go, on full power, 1 minute at a time, 1 minute at a time, until you get the desired heat that I'm after. So let me show you guys inside the pack. That's what you have. Like this jelly, it reminds me of the hot and cold pouches that you put on the wound. So I think it's a similar concept in there. So it goes in there. But the instruction was explaining to take the pack out and heat it, blah blah blah. I'm like, sack that, I'm doing that, I've never done that. So what I do, I put the whole lot in the microwave and heat it up for 1 minute at a time. Let it cool down a bit, feel the temperature, then go back in for another 1 minute until it's warm enough. So in the middle here, you have 3 inside. If I open it up, you have 3 of what I've showed you, 3 pack in that, then 2 on the sides. So I'm gonna try it on. I'll be lifting this wig out, don't worry, and try it on for you guys to see how exactly it goes on your head, if we do get something similar. So this is really handy, guys. I cannot tell you guys how much, because not every time I have the time, especially now that the weather is very cold, not every time I have time to go under the hoodie dryer. So you have Velcro at the back that end up going to get attached to that Velcro there. So I'm going to try it on my head in a minute. So there is the packaging that is showing more or less how you should wrap it. Obviously have a sort of a clean film or plastic cap under your own hair once the deep condition or hot oil treatment is applied, before going in to apply that, and that's your finishing result. So that's showing obviously what the whole thing is looking like. This very one does have like instruction. God, I'm a holder. I'm a born bred holder. I can't believe I still have this. But before I try it on, I just want to highlight a few facts that this does not replace a hoodie dryer. This is perfect for in-between salon visits. When you apply heat to the deep conditioner, during your deep conditioner, or during my deep conditioner, when I apply heat, source of heat to it, I believe the heat help the hair cuticle to open up, so all the goodness in that treatment or the oil you put in can penetrate better into the hair. So deep conditioner with heat and without no heat, the difference is massive. So if you spend that time to do your deep treatment, you spend that money on that product, you want to get the maximum result. So I would recommend using this. Why? Well, let me just say what I do. When I'm using this, I try to do it on a day where I need to do stuff around the house, like cleaning, or better still, I go on my treadmill. So while I'm moving about, the heat is generating, and the heat from that is generating, my hair will be cooked in a good way. So that is that. So let me get this out. Sorry guys, my hair is not cornrowed. I just slick it up and do one cornrow, one big plait in the back, and that's it. Just feeling lazy. So that is it. That is the size. It's large. So don't you worry. It wouldn't matter how big your head or your hair, how much how much hair you have. This will fit on you. So it goes like that, backward. That is tied, twisted in that way, more or less, and that Velcro there then gets attached to this Velcro at the back. See that? So after a while of having it on, like if I'm having this on, I know I'm not going out. I know I've done my shopping, I've done my school run, anything I need to do outside, I've done it. I know I'm staying in. So this one usually stays in my head for a good number of hours. So once the pack inside is cool down, I did put it back in the microwave for another 1 minute just to plump it back up, so I'm constantly getting that heat from it. So this does not replace hoodie dryer, because hoodie dryer, God, that is it's classic. Nothing replaces that. It's perfect for roller setting. You know, when you don't want to blow dry your hair and you don't want to use too much heat, you can, after washing your hair, go in there and use what they call indirect heat to quickly dry your hair. That is a bonus. Your braid out. How many times have I done twist out where be like, I haven't got all day to sit around waiting for this twist to dry. I pop myself in there. Within half an hour, Bob is my uncle, is dried, and I can carry on my day. So no, you cannot. Plus the heat the hoodie dryer generates anyway is even. Unlike this one, you might have trouble that they might not be reaching where it should be, that whatever. This is good for in between salon visits, or if you cannot afford, or if you don't have the space in your room for your standard hoodie dryer, this is gonna come in handy. So you put that effort in for your deep conditioner. It's only fair that you get the result you are after. So this is the review. This is my review or my take on hair wrap, guys. So check this out. I would really think this will benefit somebody who is on a healthy hair journey to help with their deep conditioning routine. So there you go. So that is it. I'm gonna leave it here. If you have enjoyed today's video, guys, give me a thumbs up, and actually 2 thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not already done so. Do share this video if you think it was helpful to you. I'm sure somebody else would like to know what the gist is about with this heat wrap cap. It has helped me. It's been a good additional product or item to my hair routine, so I believe it will help somebody out. This video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money a few years ago. I feel like while I'm at it, you know, in the mood of sharing, I can give you guys a little bit of like a mini review, just to tell you guys more or less what this thing, what involved. I think I'm rambling now. Okay. I will see you guys on the next video. All right, ciao.